Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am participating in a collab or a challenge hosted by Creative Glam, and that's Sharon at Creative Glam. And she asked us to do a DIY kitchen countertop display. So I'll be working with this area of my kitchen countertop, and it's an area that pretty much sits kind of empty. Sometimes I'll have oranges or something in this tall vase, but so I'll be working with that. So if you want to see what I do for my DIY kitchen countertop display hosted by Sharon at Creative Glam, then stick around. Okay, let's start with the old trusty tray, and I have to leave that carbon monoxide detector back there because I think if I remove one, they'll all go off in the house. So I'll just cover that up. And through the magic of YouTube, I've covered up that carbon monoxide detector. So this is a DIY that I did previously on my $5 Goodwill challenge. And I'll insert that video somewhere in the iCard. So let's move on. Okay, next I've added this sign, April showers, spring May flowers. This was a thrifted item that I purchased a while ago from Goodwill for $1. Was it $1? Just double check. Yeah, $1. I think it originally came from the Target dollar spot. I was debating about whether to repaint it or not. So let's move on. And I've added a little basket that I thrifted from Goodwill some time ago and some lemons. And you know I've been working with lemons and yellow in my kitchen and family room. So this is my DIY kitchen countertop display. Thanks, Sharon, for hosting this collab. So everyone, please check out the playlist. Go over to Sharon's channel at Creative Glam and check her out. All the information concerning this playlist will be listed in the description box. And this was so easy. I'm glad I had everything on hand. So this was so easy. I'm glad she said something, because as I said, this corner usually sits really empty, and I don't mind having this here. You know, sometimes you do some DIYs and you're like, where am I going to put that? But this, I think, is so cute, and the yellow really pops. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think down below. So I appreciate Sharon again for hosting this challenge. And I look forward to checking out everybody else's displays. So this will sit on my kitchen countertop, and I absolutely love it. How cute. All right, thank you guys. I appreciate you riding with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next production. Bye now.